Welcome to ABB Tutorials. My name is David, and this is a short demonstration on how to create and customize a trend in Linea. For this example, I will use data from a temperature sensor located in a factory room, and the goal would be to create this trend displaying the average temperature every day for that sensor. First thing we're going to do is to go to File and click on New to start a new trend. Then we go to the search bar, click on it, and type in the tag name. As you can see, we get a list of results with the variable name, the range, unit, and description. Click on it. We can close the dialog. And as you can see, now we have a trend with time represented on the x-axis and temperature in Celsius degrees on the y-axis. One way to control the time for this trend is to use this time control section. In this case, we could use the date and time pickers, but we can also go to quick ranges to just select a predefined time period. So we can go to November. And now I'm going to use the auto scale function to utilize the full height of the screen. So now that we have the trend ready, we can go and click on the time series here to do some changes in the look and feel and the aggregation methods. So for the aggregation methods, we go to the For tab, and then we can set the average and then select the time window. In this case, we said we want a daily average, so then we're gonna set it up to 24 hours. And then for changing the look and feel, we go to the second tab, and then we're gonna add points and area so that the drawing is more complete, and make the line width for 2 pixels. Finally, we can just add a legend so that we can know which variable we're visualizing, and also adding a ruler so that we always see the value of the temperature when we display it. Last thing we can do is to save the changes, clicking on here so that we can use this trend in the future. Thank you.